Hello, we're going to start off with some Sabaki or some movement side to side. So we'll basically just be stepping out of the way like somebody's attacking our center, and you can block your face or your side, but just stepping off to the side to begin with, and just try to bring your other knee across so you can be guiding away from your center at the same time. So if anything's attacking you this way, you can step to the outside and then come back in, and then we'll step back. Then shift to the other side, and you'll move your hand across, step out to the side, and then step in. So back to the center, and then shift off, step out to the side, and in. And then back, shift out to the side, to the center, and then right back in. So you can start doing those basically in one move where you shift, cover your center with your hands, and your body and everything starts trying to react just like if you were bringing just naturally or instinctively. If somebody surprises you, if you shift off to the side and go one, and then if you need to move in, you can be in fast, or you can come back and spread back this way. It's very natural to go to use the body's natural responses and shift off to the side like this, or off to the side like this, or back and push your hands forward. So we'll just be practicing some of those off to the side where we come over, block over to the side, and then in. Same thing, straight to the side, step off, and then back in. So same thing, back, you'll shift back, and then come in, back to the center, and then you'll shift back, and then come back in. So shift off to the side, and then in, shift to the front, and then in, back to the center again, shift to the front, and then in. So all the different moves where you can go to the side, you can shift off to the side with the one and throw your punch, and then step out and punch again. Or you can shift off to the other side, and as you cover, you can be punching, and then you'll step straight out and do the other side. So just shifting over to the side, whichever hand you want to punch with, or you have an opening, you can just shift off to the side, throw your punch, and then come in and strike again. So you'll shift off, punch, punch, off to the other corner. So you'll step back, punch, punch, or step back, punch with the front hand, and then the back. So more depending on which hand you have to block with, or cover your face if you need to. And same thing, as you step off to the side, it can be pushing a punch, moving it to the side, and just getting control of them. But you want to practice your body shifting in every direction, where you're practicing to the front, and then coming in. Same thing off to the other side, and then in. So first one, we'll step straight back, turn, and then come right back in with the front foot. Step up straight back to the other side, turn the body, and then come straight back in. So you can accept the strike or the punch in a lot of different ways, and just projecting with one side and pulling the body or hollowing out with the other side. So if you shift your center over like this, the hands can come out or the hands can come in, depending on what you need to do. You can either collapse or you can expand as you move out to the side. So when we start in katas like this, where you go from open to closed, and then you can step out to the side, okay, that can represent getting to the side of the person. So if they're coming in straight, I would be shifting out to the side and then attacking them from the side. And if I need to control them or weight them and put my weight on them, I'm fighting over here to the side where I'm blocking, controlling. So all of the guiding and controlling the person is during this sabaki, or this getting out of the way movement. So we'll practice shifting off to the side, getting control of them, and then coming right back in. Shift to the other side, go out and get control of them, and then come back in. Shift out to the side, and come in. So block, and then come in and punch. Back to the center, shift out to the other side, block, get control. This would all be one movement where it looks kind of like that. Okay, or come in and control, and then come in and push. But it's the same type of motion where you're getting control here. You're shifting off to the side, blocking your center line, controlling, making sure whatever is coming through here, you're able to guide it past your center, and then get control of it somehow, and then attack it from an angle, whether you're going to trip it, tip them over, kick, whatever you need to do. It needs to be with your center and with power. So that's why we step and control, and then we'll come in and attack. Shifting off to the side. Thank you.